The Spectrum series is one of our most versatile electric projector screens available. It is a robust product for residential or commercial applications and offers many cost-saving features to complement any presentation. Durable steel case includes end caps for wall or ceiling mount options. Max White 2 is a 1.1 gain matte white front projection surface, excellent for bright and colorful picture. Wide viewing angle allows audience to see a clear, bright and uniform picture from any sitting position. Black backing and masking borders to enhance picture contrast. It is ISF certified for accurate color reproduction. GreenGuard and GreenGuard Gold certified for safe indoor emissions. Available in a variety of diagonal sizes, aspect ratios to accommodate various applications. Includes radio frequency and infrared remote controls and detachable wall box controller for on-wall operation. Wired or wireless 12-volt trigger feature allows screen to drop and rise using the projector's power cycle. You can also program the screen to a preferred position. First, choose the desired position, then press and hold the program button on the wired control box and press down and you are set. Now the screen will stop at the designated position. If you want to remove that option, simply press and hold the program button from the wire control box and press stop, and you're done. Now the screen will open all the way. Now if you have multiple screens, you can also program the RF controller to a specific screen to avoid electrical interference. Simply press and hold the program button from the wire control box and press up. Once the red light is slowly blinking, then press up on the RF remote controller and you're done. That remote is now assigned to that screen. You can also change the radio frequency code to avoid controlling multiple screens at the same time. First, remove the batteries from the RF controller and change the RF code switch with a small tool. You can choose the positions of the switch. Insert the batteries back and synchronize it with the wall box controller and you're done. So if you're looking for a projector screen for home or office, for movies or work presentation, our Spectrum series is one of our best options.
Elite screens. Get the big picture.